At C1 Broker, we understand how complex the process of a home insurance claim can be. From figuring out what is covered to filing the actual claim, it can be difficult to navigate. However, let me explain how it works in a nice, easy to understand way. Essentially, when you experience damage or loss to your home that is covered by your insurance policy, the first step is to contact your insurance company or us at C1 Broker and inform us of the situation. From there, the insurance will assign an assistance repair company or a claims adjuster to assess the damage and determine the compensation you are eligible for. While the process may seem daunting, it's important to remember that C1 Broker is there to support you and help you through it. So let's look at it with some detail. Firstly, declaring the claim. As an insurance broker, one of the most important things I constantly stress to my clients is the process of declaring a home insurance claim. While we all hope we never have to use our insurance, it's important to be prepared in case something unexpected happens. If you do need to file a new claim, the best way to do so is by using the form on our website. It's always better to communicate in writing rather than over the phone, as it leaves a clear and concise paper trail. It's also important to keep in mind that in Spain you have just 7 days to declare a claim from the moment you knew about it. So don't wait. Make as many photos as possible and gather reliable repair estimates. If you've already made the repairs, ensure you have a legal invoice with your name and address on it. Remember, it must be a legal invoice with a fiscal number for the company and your name listed as the client. Then, there are 3 ways to approach the claims process depending on the damage value. Firstly, express claims. Second one is repair assistance company, and third is an adjuster. Let's talk about express claims, small claims. When it comes to filing a home insurance claim, the last thing you want is to embark upon a lengthy and complex process. But what if we told you that some claims can be resolved quickly and easily? These so-called express claims are available for insurance payouts where the amount is small and the damage is clear. If you've experienced something like a broken shower screen, for example, you may be eligible to submit photos of the damage and invoices in order to kickstart the process. While not all insurance companies offer this service, some providers pride themselves on fast and efficient handling of small claims, values around 100 to 200 euros. So the next time you have a home insurance claim to make, it's worth investigating whether an express claim is an option. On the other hand, if the damage is more extensive, you may need a repair assistance company to help fix the issue, like a broken pipe underneath your kitchen sink. Also, it's important to keep in mind that these repair companies are often outsourced contractors who work for the insurance company. Don't expect a team of employees sporting the insurance company's uniform to arrive at your doorstep. Instead, be prepared for a team of independent contractors who will work diligently to help restore your property. Choosing a repair assistance company recommended by your home insurance provider can have significant advantages when it comes to repairing damages in your home. Firstly, it ensures that you work with a company that is trusted and vetted by your insurance company, meaning that they're likely to be experienced and reliable. Moreover, you can rest easy knowing that the repair work carried out by the recommended company is often guaranteed by the insurance provider, giving you added peace of mind. Overall, opting for a repair assistance company endorsed by your home insurance provider can result in a more efficient, hassle-free and ultimately satisfactory solution for your home repair needs. Now, like everything in life, there are also some disadvantages. You may assume that using a repair assistance company recommended by their insurance provider will be the easiest and most efficient route. However, this is not always the case. One major disadvantage of choosing a repair assistance company of the insurance is that they are limited in the amount of repairs they can make without authorization from an adjuster. This means that if the repairs exceeded the predetermined amount, the repair process will be delayed while the adjuster comes to assess and authorize further repairs. Additionally, if the coverage of the claim is not clear, the repair company may back out and require an adjuster's authorization, further delaying the process. While this may seem like an easy out, it's essential to consider all the potential roadblocks before choosing a repair assistance company recommended by your insurance provider. Finally, the most common approach is having an adjuster come to evaluate the damage, the occurrence, and determine if the claim is covered by your policy. Having an adjuster come to your house to determine the extent of the damage and whether or not it's covered by your policy is a normal procedure all over the world. This process involves a careful inspection of the affected areas, a review of any relevant documents or photos you might have, and of course a conversation with you about the circumstances surrounding that claim. As a homeowner, it's important to have certain documents ready when the adjuster arrives, including your policy number, a detailed list of any damaged items, photos before and after if possible, and any receipts or estimates you might have for repairs. By providing these documents to the adjuster, you can help ensure that your claim is processed quickly and fairly. Now, how long can an adjuster take to present the report of damages? Well, is there a set time frame here, you ask? Well, when it comes to making a home insurance claim, it's so important to understand the laws that govern the process. One thing to note is there is no set time frame for when an expert's report must be closed. This can vary depending on the type of claim. However, the insurance contract law does establish a time frame for when the insured should be compensated. Within 40 days of the claim being made, the insurance company must provide in advance on the expert report a minimum indemnity payment. Failure to do so can result in additional expenses for the insurance company. So, if you're making a home insurance claim, it's worth being aware of these rules to ensure you receive fair treatment. A little last piece of advice. In case you live in a condominium or multi-property building, we've seen countless cases of home insurance claims gone wrong due to faulty pipes of your neighbours. If this is the case for you and your neighbour is responsible for the damage, it's important to seek advice from a legal professional before making any decisions. I know it can be tempting to confront your neighbour and demand compensation, but it's important to approach the situation with caution and diplomacy. Depending on the severity of the damage, it's really wise to involve your insurance company to handle this for you. Remember, handling this situation with tact and level-headedness can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Trust C1 Insurance Broker to help guide you through this process and make it as smooth as possible.